If you want to block someone on Deezer, follow these simple steps to ensure you no longer see their activity or interact with them. Step 1. Open the Deezer app. Launch the Deezer application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and profile information. Step 3. Access friends or followers. Look for the section labeled Friends or Followers. This is where you can see the list of users you are connected with. Step 4. Find the user to block. Scroll through your friends or followers list to find the person you want to block. Tap on their profile to view more options. Step 5. Block the user. Once you are on their profile, look for the option to block them. Confirm your choice when prompted, and the user will be blocked from interacting with you. By following these steps, you can easily manage your interactions on Deezer. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore Deezer's help section.